In this video, we are going to learn how to set GST at the company level. First, we will understand why GST has to be set at the company level. See, if any organization or else if any shops are purchasing or selling specific type of items, that specific type of items will have specific type of GST rate. So, if you set this rate at the GST rate at the company level, whenever you purchase or else whenever you buy the specific type of items, the same rate will be applied. So this is the one advantage to set the specific GST rate at the company level. If you want to apply different rate at the group level or else item levels or else classification type of level, that all these I will explain in the next video. First, in this video we will learn how to set GST at the company level. Still, I have not created any companies here. First, I will show how to create the company and how to apply GST rate at the company level. So here, while creating company, first we need to go to create company. I will create a company with the name of Ram Traders. Take enter. A state name is very important here because whenever you purchase and sell the goods in between other state or else if you make any transaction with the other state, then that is called as a interstate transaction. So here that time you need to apply integrated GST will be applied for that type of transaction. So if you are purchasing or selling goods in a same state, then that is called as a intrastate. That time IGST and CGST has to be applied. Okay, so here state is very important. So I will select the state here as a Karnataka. So and here next we need to select the financial here. So this GST has started since 1st July 2017. First we need to check the date here. So if you took a date below than the 1st July 2017, then that GST will not be applied for those dates. So first we need to check the date here. So here my computer has taken as a 1/4/2020. So I will accept this date and accept the company to create it. First, we need to set the GST. So press F11 from your keyboard and company feature will be displayed. So this GST tax, everything, these related options will be displayed in the statutory and taxation. So select statutory and taxation. Take enter here. First option we can see enable goods and service tax. So this option I will make it as. And next one set auto GST details. This option also I will make it as here. Okay. Now. And here you can see Karnataka, this already which company state I have taken while creating the company, the same state we can see here. And here my registration type has taken automatically as a regular here. And next option is, it is very important to take a GSTN number here. So this GSTN number is a first two letter contains the state code, and if I have written any mistake here, if I take enter, it will shows what format it should contain, GSTN code should contain. If you did not understand anything, this format we can follow. First two letters will be a state code, next 10 digits will be a PAN number, next alphabet it contains, alphanumeric. Next one 2 digits I have written here, this is the state code, and next one 5 alphabets and 4 numbers and one more alphabet. This is the PAN number. And next one more digit will come, that is the entity number of the same PAN number. This entity number will come here. Okay. Yeah, entity number will come. And then the Z will come. Z is the default letter, the default alphabet. And next one more number will come, that is for checksum code. Here I am taking 5 and then applicable from this date, whatever date you have taken for the company, that or the same date it will take here. And if you are applying or else creating at the company level and then set alter GST rate details, you need to make it as here. And here it will ask the taxable. Here you need to take as a taxable and take enter. Whatever date you want to set, that you need to set here. Integrated 18 I will take in the says enter. Okay. And next one, now directly I will create the voucher here. and take enter, and I will create the ledger while creating vouchers. Now I will purchase some items here. Okay, now if you want to purchase items, then you need to use purchase voucher. So press F9 from your keyboard to open purchase voucher, and here this invoice number I need to write and take enter. From whom? First I will read the transaction here. The same transaction I will enter here. Ram Traders purchased 5 LG computers from Neeraj on credit based with a rate 30,000, and he is selling in a same state. So same state means it is a intrastate. So here what we are purchasing from whom? Neeraj. So press Alt C here. So I will create Neeraj ledger. Neeraj we need to write. So we are purchasing from Neeraj means he will be a sundry creditor. So if you are purchasing on credit based, so maintain bill by bill option has to be activated here. So if you are purchasing from intrastate, and then he will be from the Karnataka itself. So take Karnataka, and then here PAN number is very important while entering the GSTN number. So if he is from the same state and then he is a PAN number, so first we need no need of this state code. So here what? BB I will take as a PAN number. 5 letter it should contain, and 4 numbers it should contain, and then B only I will take and take enter. Okay, PAN number will be a 10 digits. So that 10 digit I have written here, and this option we need to S. Regular I am taking, take enter, and not applicable party type, and then here you need to enter the GST number of the nearest trader. And here is what? BB I have taken, whatever PAN number we have taken there, the same PAN number we need to enter here. What we have taken? BB 2, 3, 4, 5 I have taken, and B next I have taken, and after this one number will come, Z will come, and next here is what? One checksum number. Take enter and accept this. Okay, now Control A, and here is what? Purchase ledger. So press Alt C to create the purchase ledger. URL take, and here is what? Purchase account. Take enter, and here is what? Goods we need to take. Take enter, and here what we are purchasing? Computer. So press Alt C from your keyboard to create the computer product item. So here is what? Primary I will take. Alt C. Numbers I will take as a items. Take enter. Okay, here is what? Computer I have taken. So take enter, because I don't want to apply this GST on the item level, because already I have applied this GST rate at the company level. So this option I will say it no now at the current situation. Here you need to select it as a goods and accept it. Okay, here how many items we are selling? 5 items we are selling. Per item will be of rate 30,000. So take enter, and if you are purchasing and selling the goods in a same state, because this transaction he is doing in the same state, because Neeraj is from the same state. So here is what you need to take. It is, this transaction is called as a intrastate. So here yes GST and C GST has to be applied. So press Alt C to create S GST and C GST ledgers. So here is what? S GST. So take enter. Duties and taxes we need to take for this ledger, and here is what? GST, and SGST means what? State tax. So state tax we need to take and accept this. Okay, here state tax is applied, and how much percent we have taken there while creating the while applying the GST rate at the company level? 18% we have taken. 1,50,000 amount of goods we have purchased, so 13,500 is applying. Take enter. Next one, here what we need to take? CGST we need to create a transaction, means it is at the central tax. So press Alt C, and here we need to create the ledger as a CGST. Take duties and taxes, select the GST, and here is what? Central tax. Take enter, and here we can see both. If you are selecting integrated tax as a 18%, that 9% will go for a state and 9% will go for a CGST, means central tax. So here is he is doing transaction at the same state, then SGST and CGST has to be applied. If he is purchasing and selling the goods to other state, then integrated tax has to be applied. Means the integrated tax means 18% will be applied for that type of transactions here. Next transaction I will do between the two states, means the interstate sales transaction. So press F8 from your keyboard, open the sales voucher. So here is what reference number, I will write something, take enter. First I will read the transaction here. Ram Traders sold 3 LG computers to Samantha on credit based with the rate 35,000. Here Ram Trader has purchased with the rate 30,000, but he is selling with the rate 35,000. What I will do here, you need to create a ledger, Alt C, and here what you need to create, Samantha, because he is selling to Samantha, so she will be a sundry debtors because we are selling to Samantha. So this maintain bill by bill option is important because we are selling goods on credit based, and we are selling goods to other state because Samantha is living in other state. Select here Goa. Okay, take enter, and here we need to write the PAN number. Combination of A and B I will write. Okay, so next here is what, 4 numbers and 1 alphabet. Take enter, and this option set and alter GST. So I need to set the GST number for Samantha. So regular I will take. Okay, and take enter here, and here you need to write the state code. So Goa state code will be 30, and then here we need to write first what I had took, BB I had took, no, PAN number for A, BP. Okay, 3 A's, sorry, state code we need to write here, 3AA, and next BB, and after this 1, 2, 3, 4 B I took, and after this 1 number will come and Z will come, and then 1 number that is for checksum number. Take enter, accept this, and control A to save this. And we are selling, so we need to create sales ledger here. So I will write straight here sales. So sales ledger will be under the sales account. Take enter, and this option I will say no. So here we need to select the goods. Accept this, and I'm purchasing and I'm selling computers here. So already 5 computers are there in my company. So here 3 I am selling. So for per computer rate will be of 35,000. Okay, 35,000. Take enter, and this Samantha is of other state, Goa state. So what I am living, this Ram Trader is living in Karnataka. So there is a transaction in between the interstate. So here is what IGST has to take. So I need to create the ledger for IGST. So press Alt C to create IGST. I will take here. Take enter. Duties and taxes we need to take here. GST. And then here is what integrated. Accept this. Okay. That how much percent you had applied? 18% we have applied. So current transaction contains the amount with the amount of 1,05,000. So thus our IGST will be of 18,900 because we have taken this integrated GST at the company level of 18%. So 18,900 it contains. Accept this. Okay. I hope you all understood how to apply GST at the company level while purchasing and selling. Same rate will be applied for the items. So that time we need to use this company level GST.